Santa Margarita Water District is a leader in water recycling. In fact, we recycle over 2 billion gallons of water every year, which represents 20% of our water supply. We have a strategic goal of recycling 100% of our wastewater by 2030, and we are well on our way.
In 2016, Santa Margarita Water District became home to California's first recycled water swimming and recreational lake, saving more than 100 billion gallons of potable water each year. We've made it a top priority to invest in recycled water infrastructure. Last year, we built the 1.6 billion gallon Trampus Canyon Reservoir, Orange County's largest recycled water reservoir. Instead of sending treated wastewater to the ocean, we can now store it in our backyard for later use.
Recycled water is a vital resource to keeping our communities green, especially during droughts.
Recycled water is primarily used for irrigating the public spaces in our communities, parks, green belts, and medians. Someday, highly treated recycled water will become a locally produced, locally controlled source of drinking water. Recycling and reuse result in major cost savings for our customers, and it's good for the environment. Reusing water locally cuts down on the amount of potable water that we need to import from Northern California and the Colorado River, and it reduces the amount of energy that's expended in the process. Recycling puts water to beneficial use instead of wasting it in the ocean. Another example of waste reduction and reuse is the use of retention basins to capture and naturally treat urban runoff and first flush stormwater flows. This water, too, is used to meet irrigation demand and recharge the groundwater basin. We designed the award-winning Gobernadora Basin project to naturally treat more than 200 million gallons of urban runoff and storm flows each year, and at the same time prevent erosion of the Gobernadora Creek near Coda de Caza. The water is captured locally, and we make sure it stays local and becomes a part of our recycling and reuse efforts. We're working hard every day to make the most of every drop of water. Recycling is a big part of our goal to be local, reliable, and sustainable.